Welcome to today's 24-hour global financial update. Today's focus: Trump's stance on the Russia-Ukraine war has recently undergone a major shift. From initially showing goodwill toward Russia to now openly supporting Ukraine, what exactly happened in between? We've summarized 3 stages to help you understand at a glance. Stage 1: Alaska Summit, friendly to Russia, pressuring Ukraine. The story begins with the Alaska Summit. At that time, Trump was very friendly toward Russia, even postponing the sanctions that had been prepared, stating that such harsh measures are not necessary yet. What's even more surprising is that he hinted Ukraine should make concessions in negotiations, even suggesting territorial exchange for peace, emphasizing that the decision rests with Ukraine. In short, he wanted Ukraine to take a step back and end the war quickly. Stage 2: Attitude shift, starting to get tough on Russia. But by late August, the situation changed dramatically. Because the negotiations were completely stalled and Russia continued attacking Ukraine, Trump began publicly expressing disappointment, even saying outright, "Putin has let me down." On September 12th, he went further, warning that his patience with Putin was running out and that he was preparing a new round of economic sanctions. In the following days, Trump repeatedly targeted European allies, urging them to stop buying Russian oil, saying this was the only way for the US to pressure Putin into ending the war. On September 23rd, at the United Nations General Assembly, Trump escalated his warning. If Russia refused to negotiate, the US was ready to impose additional tariffs, and he called on the UN to take joint measures against Russian oil. Even during a White House meeting with Turkish President Erdogan, Trump bluntly stated, "The most important thing now is to stop buying Russian oil and gas, cut off the war funds, because Turkey, Hungary, and Slovakia are major European buyers of Russian oil." Stage 3: Complete reversal, fully supporting Ukraine to reclaim lost territory. After meeting Zelensky at the UN, Trump's stance completely reversed. He publicly declared that Ukraine, with EU support, is capable of reclaiming all lost territory, and he pledged to continue providing weapons to NATO allies to help Ukraine fight Russia. Someone even asked him, "If NATO shoots down a Russian warplane that violates its airspace, would you support it?" Trump replied directly, "Yes." However, he did not explicitly say whether the US would take direct action, only stating that it depends on the situation. This has led to speculation about whether the US will further intervene in the war. From goodwill to toughness, will Trump's attitude shift change the course of the Russia-Ukraine war, or is it just a diplomatic strategy? What do you think? Thank you for watching today's market news. If our information is helpful to you, please hit the like button and follow for daily global market insights. We'll see you next time.